Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 6. It's English class, and we are going to continue our exercise of unit number 1. So, open your books, page number 16. On this page, the listening under the heading of listening power, the question is listen to these sentences and say what tone or mood they indicate. Actually, the exercise is your listening activity, but now we are doing it as a reading part. So for this, open your end page of book, page number 180. Under the heading of this page, the river bank, there are 6 sentences given. So read out one by one and check it out whether the tone or which tone or mood each sentence has. For example, the first sentence is, would you like to come over? Second one is, never been in a, well, what have you been doing then? Third sentence is it so nice? Fourth one is, this is better than whitewashing. Number fifth is, by it and with it and on it and in it. Sixth one is, now then, here is our backwater. At last, I think we are in time for lunch. Now, for this activity, the answers are given on the next page, and you will check it out that each one sentence has what type of mood or tone. For example, the first one is to get help. We use such type of sentences. Second is, it's a serious mood. In third, kind and thoughtful tone, exciting tone, good mood, and formal tone. Okay, Ji. Now, in the same page, A part under the heading Talk Time. The question is, read these words aloud. Notice the difference in the sound of S and in each word. Now, there is a column, S sound and Z sounds are given. So, for example, the first word is cups and speaks. Both words have S sound. And same on the other hand, Z sound words are pens and reads. Now the question is, read these words and then write all these words in their correct columns based on the sound of the letter S. Now check it out which words have S sounds, and then you can match your answer with the answer sheet. Now in the answer sheet you can check out S sound words and Z sound we have separated: gets, puts, looks, rise, plays, stops. And then Z sound words are goes, lives, learns, rise, plays, and sees. Clear? Okay, now turn over the next page, page number 17. Now on page number 17, we will start from A part. Now the A part is, identify the prefix or suffix added to each of these words. Separate the root word from the affix and follow the example. The example is judgment. The word is judgment, and we separated the root word and then suffix. The root word is judge and meant as a second word group of letters that make a new word. Now before going to start the exercise, we will check out that what are suffix and prefixes. Now prefixes are letters which we add to the beginning of word and make new words, and suffixes are letters which we add at the end of the word and make new words. Now clear? Now in this column there are almost 8 words, and we will separate root words and their prefixes and suffixes. And you can see on this page all these words are written in their correct way. The first word is kingdom, king and dom. Next, interest, unusual, replacement, courtier, exchange, encountered, undaunted. Now these were the suffixes, prefixes with their root words. Okay, now B part is about the idioms. So first we will define what are idioms, and then after the reading of all these idioms, we will fill the blanks with correct idioms. So the idiom mean. Idiom is a commonly used expression whose meanings doesn't relate to the literal meaning of its words. Now there are different idioms that are used in this exercise. Almost there are eight idioms. So I read it out one by one, and it will be very easy for you to fill the blanks. So it will be better that you learn it by heart, and it will be very useful. Now the first one is half an eye. Now, this idiom or phrase is mostly used to give a slight degree of attention. Second is in the blink of an eye, it means very quickly. Next one is all eyes, it means a person or thing is currently the focus of public interest. Number 4 is blind eye, it means ignoring of undesirable information. And next is eye to eye, it means when two people are agree with each other. Next is feasted his eyes, it means the to enjoy the sight of someone or something. Next is more to it than meets the eye, it means when you think a situation is not as simple as it seems to be. And the last one is apple of my eye, it means a person or thing that someone loves very much. Now, okay, class. Next, what's your task? You will solve all these idioms with the correct spaces by yourself, and then at the end, you can match your answer with this answer sheet. Okay, now turn the page number 18. On this page, under the heading Word Hunt, there are crosswords, so you will use the clues to solve these crosswords. Now there are almost 9 clues and 9 blanks, and you will choose the best answer. For example, the first clue is to be confused. Now you will check it out that which word we will use to find this expression. So the first word is perplex. Now we will fill the blank. Same. Second word is difficult to express or define. So for this expression, we will use the word. Which one? Okay, I check. Yes, extreme. The word is extreme. So same, you will fill all these blanks with the help of the given answer sheet. Okay, class, now your homework is to complete all the book work of page 16, 17, 18 in your books very carefully and neatly. Okay, Allah Hafiz.